seen it this curly in my life. I just got out of the shower. I shampooed out my treatments that I had slept in overnight last night. So I did the Save Me From Chemical Conflict, Age Acceleration, and Thermal Obsession last night. That's what I slept in. And then when I got out of the shower, I put a little bit of the Save Me From Age Acceleration all through the top of my hair and worked it through my ends. And then I put the Save Me From Chemical Conflict again through my hair as a leave-in. And then I was like, okay, I'm going to see what I can really get my curls to do since I've been noticing them getting curly. And then I diffused my hair and I am shooketh. Can you even believe? It was the third Save Me From Chemical Conflict treatment that I have done in my hair. Look at my hair. Like, I feel like my curls are coming back curlier, and as you may or may not know, when you lighten your hair, a lot of times it will kind of soften out your natural curl pattern. So one of the big things that I've noticed since the last time I did it is my hair is seeming to be curlier, which I'm so excited about. I mean, like, look at these cute little curls I have. I think I'm gonna start going hard on the age prevention one because I want to continue seeing these hairs get thickened around the side, which I just feel like ever since I had children, I just like forever have baby hairs. So anyway, I absolutely love this stuff.
Guys, my hair is so shiny, my hair is so soft. The shine is out of control. Like, I don't even think my camera's picking up just how shiny my hair is. I feel like they all are doing the same thing where they're all making my hair just feel like a better version of itself. I feel like it's taking 15 years off my hair, which is pretty much unheard of for me. I feel like I'm on the road to getting my hair closer to the virgin state. Like, I actually have surprising more curl definition. Like, I've been purposely trying to elongate my curls and stretch them out to be looser waves, but I have more curl definition today without even trying. It's just like my hair doesn't even feel or look like my hair. My hair is usually a lot more frizzy, it's a lot more unmanageable, it's more poofy, and I can't say enough good things. Like, I swear I sound like this is like a sponsored post, which is not, because no brand's ever paid me anything. Like, that'd be cool, but no. But with my own money, we'll continue to buy. I actually got a few little jars for like some of my family members and friends. I became that obsessed with this. I'm like, you need to try this. This stuff is just incredible. Like, I wish you guys could through YouTube feel how soft my hair is compared to how it usually feels.